Oh, can you catch him? He owed money on some other stuff. Claybron. I missed that. Yeah, I'm sorry. I missed this. You owe us money on some other stuff from 2023, $496 on a similar. You're going to plead responsible to double parking. You're paying fines that cost of $300, and a civil infraction and misdemeanor from June 13 will be dismissed. Is that the deal? I'll do it on the civil infraction. And can you pay it today? Can you see the calendar?
Yeah.
Pick a due date.
Okay, second, second,
Say it again.
second.
Second?
Yeah.
We can do that. And that was $400 or $300, correct? All right, so these cases are going to be held until you pay the $300. When you pay the $300, then we dismiss them. All right, any questions? You're all set. You don't get a smile today then. You just got to go. Oh, can you catch him? He owed money on some other stuff. Claybron. I missed that. Joseph Wright. Come on up, Mr. Wright. Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
Come on up. Let me talk to Mr. Claybron real quick, and then we'll take care of your business. Yeah, I'm sorry. I missed this. You owe us money on some other stuff from 2023, $496 on a distracted driving ticket. Just what I just said. Distracted driving. Distracted driving ticket from 2023. Romulus PD gave you a ticket.
All right,
Can you set up some kind of payment plan?
well, I said, that's a little bit over.
You sure? This is 496. What was the other one? 300. So it'd be 796. $800. I'll give you more time if you need it.
I'll straighten out another 2 weeks and it'll be back to full out 16.
So by 16th of September.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You're good to go. Sorry to let you, I didn't mean to set you up for getting out of here easy. All right. Your turn. Did you read your rights?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. On October 3 of 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir. I believe you discussed, a plea bargain.
Yeah, I'm taking the plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate, so it won't have any license sanctions for you. And dismissing the drove while license suspended. That was the deal you made with the prosecutor, correct? Yeah. All right. And I'll do that. I accept that plea. I dismiss the DWLS. Are you working?
Hi.
Who do you work for? How long you been employed?
So I'm a CDL class A truck driver.
Good. Okay. How long you been with Dawn? Okay. Okay. So you work for them as a non-truck driver and now you're driving truck. Good. Okay. Full-time plus, I bet. Good. Good. All right. And what's the status of your license?
So
Obviously you got privileges or you wouldn't be driving truck.
class A.
You're all set. Okay. All right. Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Where you been since 2021?
So my mother was sent home on hospice. She passed away in 2021. I was just in a rut.
Yeah, you were in a funk. Yeah. Yeah. Those angels at hospice, man, they make it a lot easier to deal with, don't they? Yeah, and I don't use that word lightly. They are angels. Yeah. Yeah. We went through it with my dad and it was just, it was a terrible process. Losing somebody always is, but they made it so much easier. Yeah. I have so much respect for hospice nurses. Okay. All right. Anything else? All right. So unfortunately, I'll give you my bereavement discount. I'm going to waive some of these late fees because we got $200 worth of show cause fees and warrant fees. I'm gonna waive $150. So, find the cost $500. I need that money paid within 5 days, or within that 5 day period, I need to have a solid plan how we're gonna get paid. All right, so set something up downstairs. I'm also gonna order 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. We run the program 7 days a week. You pick which days you're gonna work. The days you work, you gotta show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Usually by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're back here, done for the day, and you're on your way. Understood? Any questions?
I just do a lot of on the road stuff and overnights.
Right. How soon do you know when you're going though? I mean, do you know today, for example, do you know where you're gonna be 2 weeks from now?
I know the night before. So.
Yeah, this won't work. This won't work because we can't have you canceling the night before. I'm gonna give you another option. That's not jail. All right. So instead of the 4 days on the work program, let's do 32 hours charity work. So we call it community service. You got to volunteer, do 32 hours with a nonprofit registered with the IRS nonprofit. We'll give you a list downstairs if you want to know what organizations we've already pre-approved. You volunteer with the organization, you get official letterhead from the organization that says that on these dates, you did a total of 32 hours. Bring that to us between now and I'll give you until October 1. That give you enough time with your over the road schedule?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Questions? All right, good luck. October 1. Lauren Somerville. Somerville, oh, there you are. Good morning. You are going forward today without benefit of an attorney? All right, but you talked to the prosecutor and you made a deal? My paperwork says you're going to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle on October 12, 2019 at or near Metro Airport, and the original charge would be dismissed. Is that correct? Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options those rights present to you? Understanding all of that, are you in fact pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport then? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Prosecutor made a note, you're eligible for your license. What do you got to do to get it back? You owe anybody money? So just go to Secretary of State and do the process. All right, are you working?
I'm just starting to bring babies.
Where at? Okay. Okay. Full time? Full time?
Yeah.
What are they paying? Oh, dude, we can do better than that. Seriously. Go. When do you think you'll get your license back? Or reinstate it? Oh, okay. All right. So that they revoked you for past drinking and driving? Have you been through the appeal? Have you been through the appeal division with driver's license appeal? All right. I'm going to tell you something you don't want to hear. You're eligible to go ask them, right? It ain't an ask. You got to convince. So I've been doing this a long time. My experience has been that if you walk in there without an attorney, the chances of you getting driving privileges your first time are slim to none. Got to have an attorney, because and not just any attorney. I mean, not just a good defense attorney. You want to talk to an attorney that does a lot of those driving license appeals, because they know exactly what ducks you got to get lined up. So when you walk in there, you get some driving privileges, right? And it's money, right? They're not cheap, but how much money has it cost you not being able to drive since 2012? Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, right? So how are you getting to work now? Jesus, you can't afford that. And you're living in Ipsy. All right, before you get out of here, we'll get back to business in a minute, but before you get out of my building, when you go downstairs, you want to talk to Avery Taylor. Okay, he's behind the counter. Just when somebody behind the counter says, "Can I help you?" say, "I need to talk to Avery." Tell him you need a job and you'd like something in the Ipsy area closer to home. See what he's got. Because I can guarantee he don't have any jobs down there that he's got record of that are $12 an hour, right? The last time I talked to him with the specifics was, I think it was last week. It might have been 2 weeks ago, but he just got a new contact literally around the corner from us, and they were starting at 17. So, you know, what could you do with a $5 bump? Right? All right. So let's get back to this one. If I order what I'm thinking, instead of money, I'm just going to order time out of you. If I order you to do some charity work, give you time to do it, is there a church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, something close to you so you're not spending big money to get there? And the church will work you? I mean, you can do lawn care, whatever, clean toilets, whatever you got to do. All right, I'm not gonna assess any money. I'm just gonna tell you to do 50 hours of charity work. All right, I want half of it done by October 1, and then I'll give you another month to do the rest. Is that doable? All right, you got it? 50 hours, 25 hours or more by October 1, balanced by November 1. Go down to see Avery, get you a job that pays better than $12 an hour. All right, any questions? Avery Taylor. Got it? Any questions? Good luck, guy. Yeah, it's time to get you back on the road. Caleb Gray. Good morning, counsel.
Guys, nice to see you.
Same here. We're gonna adjourn.
We're running on behalf of Calvin Gray, standing to my right, Judge. The prosecutor and I are working on the resolution in this matter. I'm confident that we will reach one, but there yet.
You talk about a date to come back?
No.
What are you thinking?
We have August 27th, September 10th, or September 24th.
Well, Judge, I'm happy to say that on August 27th, I'll be in Chicago for my daughter's wedding.
Oh, good. Congratulations.
My mind kind of got stuck there when you.
Yeah, I believe.
Please.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I've got it, but I do. That gives me a chance to talk to counsel.
What are you doing this?
I'm looking for the other dates.
Oh, 9/10, 9/24.
Eaton is up next. Eaton is up next.
Thanks. 9:10, please.
Yeah. Do you want
Perfect. Good timing.
11:30? We have a morning or a minute.
Is that with us?
Morning, please.
8:30.
All right, Bond, will we continue, Mr. Brown?
Yes.
All right, guys, just have a seat. We'll get your notice and get you out of here.